everybody, it's Jenna Allen with Mental Health Today, and today is I'm going to show you guys my daily breakfast. Give you guys some healthy tips on foods, healthy tips on weight loss foods. I will show you mainly the breakfast, and then I'm just going to, because I actually have to work soon, so I won't be able to show you guys specifically how I make my dinner, but I can tell you guys what I make for dinner. So I'm just going to get everything I need for this smoothie. And all right, I'm going to show you guys each item. So, all right. So, I'm going to make the smoothie first so I can get all this stuff out of the way so I can actually cook. Okay, so I am this is dark or chocolate oat milk. So I'm kind of like back and forth with almond milk and oat milk. I also usually drink my teamy tea. Amazing. It's actually working. I feel better. It cleanses up my body. So first, I start with the it's either dark or chocolate oat milk. I personally like oat milk better than almond milk. It tastes better. Just going to put it like that. I only drink maybe... This is the size of my smoothie. Like, it's not very big. Okay, this can go recycling. Alright. Now, this stuff I put in my smoothies. I get it from Walmart for $19.99. Really great. It tastes amazing. And it's got like a bunch of amazing stuff that goes well with a smoothie, and also, gets your daily vitamins. That's what that's for. All your veggie powder and fruit mix. Then I add my flax seeds. I also buy from Walmart. That gives you your omega for the day. And it's got some calcium in there. And then I add ginger into my smoothies. I add ginger actually into my teamy tea as well. I add ginger in pretty much everything. Well, other than, dinner, but so it wouldn't taste very good. But ginger is absolutely incredible if you have a headache. And of course I add cinnamon as well. Just a little bit like that. And then I buy frozen spinach, and I add those into my smoothies so I can get, some veggies in there. And some raspberries. Cut all those. Coconut chunks. And I think, I'm missing one thing. Yogurt. Yogurt is absolutely incredible to add into your smoothies. I would drink this smoothie without any yogurt, and I was like, why am I still hungry? Oh, I need to add yogurt. Yogurt is actually really filling. I actually really enjoy it. So, add the rest of this. The rest of that. I also have coconut yogurt too, but and I accidentally got some on my shirt. Nice. Garbage. All right. Now, see. I might have to add some more milk, but let's see. Let's see how it's done. You guys ready? Here we go. Just like that. Decent portion. And there's the smoothie. It's beautiful. Here, I'll show you. If you can even see it. I don't know if you can, but it's great. And it tastes sweet. It tastes like kind of like better than a normal smoothie. I love it. I get my vitamins and then I have energy, so it's awesome. All right, now you guys get to see the cooking part. All right. So alright, this is not mine. I do not drink energy drinks. Barely ever. That shit's so bad for you. Anyways, I need this. So what I'm going to show you guys, which is a very, very common diet health breakfast. I'm going to make avocado toast. Amazing, really healthy bread. I usually buy avocados, or I'll get like guacamole. So I'm going to turn the oven on, 350. This is the bread that I use. I freeze it. This is Silver Hills. So when you eat this, with this bread, you're getting your fiber, and I think, and there's 8% iron in here. I have 1 piece a day. And really good bread. It tastes good. I buy it from Walmart. It's about $4.99 a bag, but it's definitely worth it. I shop at Walmart or whenever I can. I'd like to get a Costco membership, but that stuff's not cheap. So, and then, of course, my eggs. Just need to get a pan here. Move that, and this has to get put away. Alright. Now, I hope you guys can see a little bit what I'm doing here. Yeah, you guys can see. You're good. Okay. So, for my oil, I now bought this. It was $13.99 at Walmart. I am obsessed with it because this and coconut oil are the only 2 oils I use now. Super good for you, and it helps maintain a healthy diet, and it's good to cook with. I love it. It's a little bit more expensive than most oils, but it's great. A little bit like that. And yes, I do. For those who have not tried the teeny tea, it is definitely worth it. Like, it's a little expensive, but it's worth it. And after that, it's like $30 a month or something. So, crack my egg. I gotta make this a quick video because I have to work. Otherwise, I would do my entire different videos on my dinner, my lunch. But I guess this is kind of brunch because it's like afternoon. So, and then I have a lot of spices, so I like to use this stuff. Just put a little bit like that. Add some flavor. And to get my protein going with the eggs, I add 2 pieces of turkey bacon. the 50% less salt one. It's healthy, it's good, it tastes great, and it fills me up, right? So. And yes, I do drink coffee too. I do drink coffee. I try to every morning because I can't live without it. Do that. I usually only put one egg on my toast, so. I'm gonna need these. That. Yeah, so I before I was only doing the eggs and my teamy tea, but I found I was still really hungry, so I was like, I need to get back into drinking my smoothies again. This stuff tastes incredible too, and I have a calendar as well. Super good. It's been working. I feel healthier. I feel like, I feel like I can keep my curves still, which I love. Like, I love having curves, and I love having that, like, little bit of thickness, but not like, it'd be nice to be a little bit smaller. And now I can, once the egg looks almost a little bit cooked, I start to add my bacon. 2 pieces like that. And you know what? While we're waiting, I'm going to show you my dinner, like in the pack. Ground turkey. And I'll add sauerkraut onto it. I mix this up with like this kind of stuff, like a bunch. Like I have like a bunch. There's like 6 bags of this stuff in my freezer. So that's usually my dinner, and I'll add a bunch of seasonings. I'll add turmeric on it as well. I started eating tofu, which is really good actually. I cooked it and baked tofu in the oven and added a bunch of like turmeric and spices. Tastes pretty good, especially on ground turkey. Or if I don't have ground turkey, I will make this stuff. I have 4 bags of it right now. This is the stuff I will buy. I will switch it up, or I'll have like salad. Pretty much all I eat the same stuff usually every day. When I'm at work, I order Caesar salad. Or I'll order a chicken Caesar wrap with side of veggies. That's usually what I'll eat at work. Because I'm still getting my vitamins and stuff, but I barely ever order like fast food or anything anymore. It's just, not worth it. So this is the second dinner that I have. If it's not ground turkey, it's organic black beans, and I mix a bunch of veggies in it. Right. As you can see, definitely cooking here. Oh, yeah, and the toast is ready. If I had more time, guys, I would totally show you my cooking skills on my dinner, but I have to work today. don't worry, I'm going to show you what it looks like after. There we go. All right. Now this, let's see if I can do. Now this is my breakfast. Okay, that's my breakfast. Now I'm gonna go eat. So that's my diet plan. That's my regular routine with what I eat. The avocado is a huge breakfast that I highly recommend to whoever is new to trying to start a new lifestyle, trying to start a new diet. I definitely highly recommend it. So I wish I had more time to show you guys my dinner, but I could just show you in the package, but I have to go to work, so don't have much time. But next week, I will be doing Halloween makeup ideas. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a couple easy makeup ideas. So I will see you guys next time on Mental Health Today.